We got a couple people live. I appreciate that. Yeah, don't not go live because you see me live. Make your video, then come back and watch my video. Because when I get done watching my video, I'll come watch your video. Shouts out to the networking, because that's what it's all about. Hey, if you ain't networking, man, I don't know what the hell y'all doing. But if you ain't networking, you could always come get a class, and I can tell you what to do. I don't know, wonder why. Get in my chat. Shouts out to the 3 thumbs up. Make it 4 with Spider Pig, right? You dig? Alright. I'm gonna put on my video sponsor. Shouts out to DJ Is. Y'all already know. While I get my medication ready. Shouts out to being medicated because I'm trying to be like y'all. Hell, I've been at work since 8 o'clock this morning. And I ain't smoked all day. I did get me a new dab straw, which is just a little glass tip with a rubber, whatever you want to call it, something rubber. You dig? So we got dabs on deck again. I had broke 2 different dab straws in 1 week, so I was mad about that. But that's the bad thing about glass, because it breaks. And then you got to replace it. Although I still have my Yokins, both of them. I still got both my Yokins. I got my Dive. Shouts out to that Dive. Y'all already know that's a great investment. Although the nectar collector straw on that one did break, and they don't have the replacements for that one. So I have to use my actual bucket, which it still works, but you know, it's kind of a headache. And by it being a headache, meaning I actually got to be fucking with it to fuck with it, to fuck with it, and fuck with it. Fuck withtables. Random words that sound good, right? Shouts out to me, keeping it entertaining and player at the same time. Ooh, y'all already know today we got our natural wild hemp. You know, we ain't smoking no tobacco when we getting our medication in. We want the full herbal remedy for our anxiety. Shouts out to that. I gotta sneeze. Bless me. Bless you for blessing me too. Appreciate that. Shout out to the replay gang. I know I'm gonna see that in the comment section. If not, keep hating. Keep hating. I ain't gonna tell y'all to keep hating. Y'all already know to keep hating. Shout out to the people that's hating. I mean, somebody gotta do it. Won't be me. Won't be me. I ain't gonna be hating me because I love me some me. Hell, I spend multiple hours by myself just so I can enjoy it myself. Who we got in the house? We got Cali Bear, number 9. Shouts out to the number 9. Hopefully you're one of the good nines if you representing that 9 life path. Shouts out to y'all though, cause hell, I'm not a 9 life path, but I was born in September, so I'll be getting on my 9 energy. Shouts out to knowing the cheat codes to that game. Hell, I'm just sitting here smoking, talking about how to create opportunities. You know, some people don't know, so I gotta tell them. And since I gotta tell them, I gotta do it in style, right? We gotta be Team DWC, dripped up, drippy, drip, 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 drip. It's buttery, as I call it. The butter be drippy. You see what I'm saying? Shout out to the butter, because you know that's your boy Popcorn. TWP, that's what's poppin'. But anyways, hell yeah, we sitting here talking about creating opportunities, because for those who didn't know, you know, a lot of people did catch the video or the replay from when I took another, like Tanya said, damn, you taking another road trip? Oh yeah, you always better be ready for me to be taking road trips, because hell, I chill at the house when it's snowing outside, but when it's hot, hell, good luck getting me to stay home. The only reason why I was home starting off on the beginning of the day Saturday is because I had to make sure them planties was wet Friday night. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can't just get that check on Friday, go ahead and hit that highway. Nah, 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 nah. I got to make sure these ladies got them something to drink because, you know, our regular watering schedule is kind of on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Shouts out to keeping up with that schedule because no matter what I want to do, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure I keep my shit going. Shouts out to keeping shit going because, hell, I finally cut down them 2 plants that I said I needed to harvest like a week ago. Yeah, they got up out of there. We got them up out of there. So here in a minute, we gonna swing by the green room, see what's cracking in there. And then since I had a blackout the other day, here let me clip some before I start smoking. That way this can be unaided.